Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up InDesign master pages for brochure branding layouts, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open Adobe InDesign and create a new document. Select the page size that suits your brochure layout from the new document window. Ensure that the number of pages corresponds to your brochure design. Once the document is open, navigate to the Pages panel. If the Pages panel is not visible, go to the Window menu, then select Pages. In the Pages panel, locate the Master Page section at the top. Double-click on the Master Page to open it. This will serve as the base layout for your brochure branding. Begin by adding your branding elements such as the logo. Use the Rectangle tool to create a placeholder for images or graphics. Position the logo at the desired location, usually in a corner or centered at the top. Next, consider adding a background color or graphic. Select the rectangle frame and fill it with your brand's color. This will add consistency to the overall design. Now, use the text tool to create text frames for headlines or other content. Ensure that your font selections align with your brand identity. Set the text styles, such as font size and color, to enhance readability. Consider adding page numbers for multi-page brochures. Create a text box for page numbers and style it appropriately. To duplicate the design for additional pages, drag the master page icon onto the new pages in the Pages panel. This applies the master layout to all selected pages. Review each page to ensure all elements align properly. Make any necessary adjustments to spacing and alignment for visual harmony. Save your document frequently to avoid losing any progress. Once satisfied with the layout, start populating your brochure with content. Remember to keep branding consistent throughout your design. Preview your brochure by selecting View, then Screen Mode, and choosing Preview. Make final adjustments as needed before exporting. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.